Welcome to English for Technical Aviation. My name is Carlos Bautista, and in this short video, I will show you how to find a designated mechanic examiners. On your Google browser, go ahead and type in FAA DME search. On your search, you'll be prompted with some of the options available, and go ahead and select where it says Find Designee and Delegations. For this video, we'll be looking at designated mechanic examiners. By selecting mechanic examiners, you'll be prompted to the following page. On this page, we will select the designee type by selecting the drop-down menu and selecting DME. Location search, you select the city you want or by the address. On designee search, you can just select the designee name. On this sample, let's look at the city for Dallas. You can leave the state blank, country, postal code, and just select Airframe at the bottom, Powerplant, and go ahead and select search. Once you select search, for this example, you have Jeffrey McCoy with the address, phone and email, function and authorization, and also the managing office. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification for future videos. Thank you.